Everybody is crazy over Pares, but can you make it healthier? Hindi tayo gagawa ng Pares Overload, gagawa tayo ng Pares Overloved. Now, making our Pares with jackfruit or langka. We're slicing some ginger and leeks, and we will saute our aromatics. Let's fry our ginger and our leeks until they become a bit toasted and aromatic. In the meantime, I will slice my jackfruit. This will replace our beef. Meaty texture, but healthier. Star Anise, cinnamon bark, and I will add my jackfruit, langka, seasoned with some salt, water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. And to give it a nice color, we will add a bit of banana ketchup. Cover and let it simmer until it's tender. So here our jackfruit is simmering in our very aromatic broth, and later on we will thicken it. We are just waiting until it reaches the perfect tenderness. We'll have that meaty texture you so love with beef. Ito, because langka is a bit, stringy, you will have that meaty texture as well. And our jackfruit is almost tender. It's almost done. And now, we will thicken our sauce. Add our slurry, just cornstarch or potato starch. Add our leeks, the green part, black pepper, and finish with sesame oil. Look at that. We have our langka pares ready, and let's prepare our other elements. Let's make our pares complete. So let's make fried garlic. And let's fry. Your oil shouldn't be too hot when you add your garlic. Gentle frying until it's golden. Once it's golden, it's time to scoop the garlic goodness out. And using the same oil, we will fry our tofu. Season with salt and fry. Let's make our egg fried rice using the oil from our garlic and tofu. Saute our carrots. Add our day-old rice. A bit of our fried garlic. Beat our eggs. Oil. Add our eggs. Toss everything together. Egg fried rice. Oh, steaming hot. Langka pares. You wouldn't expect. Chunky. Very aromatic. Thick sauce. And I'm ready to dig in. Top with our fried tofu. Look at that. So tender. And we are done. You will surely feel the love with this comfort dish made healthier for you. It's not beef, it's jackfruit, but still the same. Very meaty, very flavorful. And I'm ready to bite into this. Tender. Look at that. Taste it on its own. It is Pares. The mouthfeel feels like meat. Let's taste. One more time. This recipe truly works. Try it. Our Pares Overloved. Simple.